Alright everyone, it is Monday, December 29th, 11:54 a.m. and we're breaking 2013 Panini Momentum. First, let's go over the roster. Alright, let's get started. For the Vikings, Greg Jennings. For the Steelers, Ben Roethlisberger. Jaguars, Justin Blackmon. 49ers, Michael Crabtree. And our first hit, a nice one, for the Packers, 2-color patch auto of Eddie Lacy. And that is short print 6/49. Nice hit. Rookie for the Bills, Chris Gregg. For the Eagles, Jeremy Maclin. For the Chiefs, Dwayne Bowe. For the Cardinals, Carson Palmer. For the Buccaneers, Josh Freeman. And our next hit is a redemption for D. Milliner, rookie initiation signature. And another rookie for Chris Gregg. For the Eagles, Deshaun Jackson. For the Chargers, Ryan Matthews. For the 49ers, Frank Gore. For the Dolphins, Ryan Tannehill. Our next hit for the Eagles, autograph of Jordan Poyer. It's numbered 393/599. And rookie for the Panthers, Star Latululi. For the Ravens, Joe Flacco. For the Browns, Brandon Weeden. For the Bucks, Doug Martin. For the Lions, Reggie Bush. Our next hit for the Raiders, jersey card of Darren McFadden. It's numbered 28/199. And rookie for the Eagles, Matt Barkley. For the Raiders, Jacoby Ford. Jets, Santonio Holmes. Browns, Josh Gordon. Jets, Marcus Davis. Numbered 62/99. The next hit for the Eagles, jersey card of Matt Barkley. Numbered 141/399. And rookie for the Bills, EJ Manuel. For the Steelers, Heath Miller. Colts, Reggie Wayne. Broncos, Wes Welker. Chiefs, Jamal Charles. And for the Buccaneers, autograph of Jonathan Banks. That is numbered 84 out of 199. And rookie for the Raiders, Connor Vernon. For the Titans, Kenny Britt. For the Bills, CJ Spiller. For the Saints, Jimmy Graham. For the Falcons, Matt Ryan. Our next hit for the Saints, jersey card of Kenny Stills. That is numbered 179 out of 299. And rookie for the Packers, Jonathan Franklin. For the Dolphins, Dustin Keller. For the Seahawks, Marshawn Lynch. For the 49ers, Colin Kaepernick. For the Giants, Jason Pierre-Paul. And our next hit for the Vikings, autograph of Rodney Smith, numbered 194 out of 299. And rookie card of Le'Veon Bell. For the Eagles, LaShawn McCoy. Broncos, Peyton Manning. Bengals, AJ Green. Jaguars, Cecile Shorts. And our next hit for the Packers, a jersey card of Jonathan Franklin, numbered 138 out of 299. And for the Bengals, rookie Kobe Hamilton. Last pack. For the Falcons, Asante Samuel. For the Chiefs, Derek Johnson. For the Patriots, Tom Brady. For the Packers, Jordy Nelson. Our final hit, autograph for the Dolphins, Deion Sims. That's numbered 13 out of 199. Our last card, another Deion Sims for the Dolphins, rookie card. Alright everyone, thanks for buying the break. Hope you'll join us again next month.